Adeline's Adventures!
Hello and welcome to Adeline's Adventures. Today we are in one of Cardiff's most popular parks, Roath Park. In 1886, a new park in the area with a lake was proposed, on land owned by Lord Tredegar. The land was covered with clay pits and also had a watermill which would need removing. The land for Roath Park was donated to the city in 1887, primarily by John Crichton Stewart, 3rd Marquess of Bute. The first section of the park was officially opened to the public in 1894, and it continued to be open in sections over the following 2 decades. In 1915, a lighthouse was constructed in the lake containing a scale model of the Terra Nova ship to commemorate Captain Scott's ill-fated voyage to the Antarctic from Cardiff in 1910. The park's atmosphere today still retains a Victorian and Edwardian character. The park itself is locally listed, and the surrounding streets are designated across 3 conservation areas to ensure this quality will be conserved. Roath Park itself is Grade 1 listed, and Waterloo Gardens, Roath Mill Gardens, Roath Brook Gardens have separate listings at Grade 2. Roath Park is now owned by Cardiff County Council and managed by the Parks section. The park has recently been awarded the prestigious Green Flag Award to recognise its high quality and importance to Cardiff. Roath Park has widely diverse environments across the park. The park was built on 130 acres of reformed bogland, which includes a 30-acre lake. The lake was formed by the damming of the Nandfar stream, and is a popular facility for fishing and rowing. The main park includes a large playground, floral displays, the Glass House Conservatory, and recreational areas throughout. We would like to thank you for watching our videos. We hope that you've enjoyed them and learnt a little bit about the places we're taking you to. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and join us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. See you soon. Bye.